Hello everyone, I would like to review these AAA batteries that were gifted to me by the brand to make an honest review. First thing I want to mention is how well they were packed. The packaging was very nice. These batteries have long-lasting power for everyday devices. I personally will use them for kids' toys or kitchen scale. One thing that is very impressive that you could recharge these batteries up to 300 cycles. This would help me reduce battery waste compared to the disposable batteries. They come already pre-charged. They also have built-in safety protection against overcharge. Super convenient, very easy and fast to recharge them. If you're looking for powerful, rechargeable batteries, I highly recommend this product.